Let's make my favorite pizza dough, made with whole wheat flour, olive oil, and honey. It's a perfect blank canvas for any pizza you want. Start with water that's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Add some honey and some active dry yeast. Stir it together until the yeast dissolves and let it rise for about 10 minutes. Add some whole wheat flour, white flour, and salt to a mixing bowl. Make a well. Add the yeast mixture and some olive oil and mix together until well combined. Sprinkle your surface with flour and scrape the dough out onto the surface. Knead it with your hands until it's nice and elastic, not too sticky, and you can form a ball easily with it. Grab your bowl and coat it with olive oil. Take your dough and coat the top with olive oil, flip it around, and cover. Let it rise for about an hour until it's about doubled. Now you can use it for one big pizza or 2 small pizzas. You can also freeze it for later. Yum! Get this recipe and more at bowlofdelicious.com.